In the previous video, we took a look at Microsoft OneDrive and how we can store our files inside of here. But in this video, let's take it one step further and show how we can share these files. So now that I've uploaded, for example, my Classroom Starters folder, I have the ability to share it. You'll notice here that there is already a folder that's being shared, and you can see that with this two-person icon that appears there, letting me know that this is a shared file. Now for Classroom Starters, I want to share this with a coworker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that folder, and then up at the top from here, I'll click on Share. Now when you do this, there's going to be a couple important things. First of all, it will usually say that everyone in your organization with this link can edit, but you can edit these permissions. So in here it says, who would you like this link to work for? It can be anyone. In this case, it says people in Microsoft because that's my organization. Here it will likely say your organization. People with existing access or specific people. Also below this is another really important setting, and that is whether or not you want to allow editing. So in other words, when I share this file, do I want that other person to be able to make edits to it, or do I want them to be able to only view it? In this case, if I was just sharing it because I wanted them to view it, I would uncheck that, click Apply. Now, if I want to invite specific people, I could go in here and type in their name. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to type in a coworker. When I do that, I can leave a message letting him know what is going on. Down below, you also have the option to copy a link. So if you press on this, it will create a shareable link, which in this case right here, I could copy and then share out with people. Now remember, this will depend on your settings, however. If you put in there to only share with specific people, you're going to have to add them by email. But if you put anyone in your organization, you could copy this link and then share it on social media, via email, however you want. In my case, though, I'm going to click Share. I'll type in Aaron's email address again, and when I'm ready, I'll click Send. And now it lets me know that link to Classroom Starters has been sent, and on here we can now see that that is a shared folder. So within OneDrive, it's a great place to store your files and then be able to share and collaborate with others. I suggest that not only do you utilize this as an educator, but empower your students to share different documents with you through OneDrive. Also, it may be a good idea to have a folder with certain resources that you share with students, one with assignments you share with students, and so on. So take advantage of OneDrive's cloud storage and use it to improve collaboration and storage for your class.